In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your portfolio efficiently using Etoro's platform. Whether you're new to investing or looking to refine your strategy, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up your portfolio in a matter of minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to Etoro's website. Etoro is a well-known platform where you can invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs all in one place. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is log in. If you don't have an Etoro account yet, you'll need to sign up and go through their verification process. But assuming you're all set with your account, just click on the Login button. Make sure you have your login credentials ready and enter them carefully to avoid any hassle. Once logged in, navigate to the Etoro homepage. This is like your dashboard, where you can get a snapshot of different investment options and account details. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll spend a lot of your time managing and monitoring your investments. Next, click on the Discover tab. This section is a treasure trove of investment opportunities. Here, you'll find a wide range of assets and investment products to consider. Spend a little bit of time exploring what's available. There may be new opportunities that you weren't previously aware of. Now, it's time to find the assets you'd like to trade. Whether your interests lie in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or diverse ETFs, this step is crucial. Use the search feature and browse through different asset classes. If you're unsure about which assets to pick, consider factors like market trends, historical performance, and news updates that might impact asset values. Once you've zeroed in on the assets you're interested in, it's time to add them to your portfolio. On Etoro, this process is straightforward. Once you select an asset, you'll see options to add it to your portfolio. Take your time to evaluate the potential returns and risks involved with each asset before making your decision. After adding assets, the next step is to trade. Click on the Trade button for the assets you've chosen. Here, you can customize your investment parameters. Decide how much you'd like to invest in each asset. Set any stop-loss orders, or take profit levels that you'll find appropriate based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. And there you have it. You've successfully built your portfolio on Etoro in just a few simple steps. Remember, investing is a continuous journey. Monitor your portfolio regularly and stay updated with market trends. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.